Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now we have gone through many videos on face recognition such as Python face recognition, then face verification, then Python face recognition with face and name and ID, and many more videos on machine learning using Python. Today's video is really interesting. So it is enhancement of previous video with face recognition with name and ID. So let us go through the Python file. First two statement, importing required libraries. We will be using SQLite database for storing the name information, user information. Then face detect is equal to cv2 dot. This statement is used to detect the face. The next statement is used for face recognition, LBH face recognizer in this. Then start the webcam, ID is equal to 0 right now. Then get profile function method. Then SQLite database face DB. Then select star from it is table people where ID is equal to 0. Then cursor needs to maintain the database connectivity. A session is established to execute the query. Then profile was null. Then row cursor, then row, if one row exists, that is copy to profile. Then close the connection, close the connectivity, that is session is closed. Then return profile whatever it is having. Then CV font cv2 dot font here say it is used for font detect, it is used for denote the font type. Then while loop, infinite loop. Then capture frame by frame, read, and then convert the BGR to grayscale image. Then generate a rectangle around the face, and profile is equal to get profile str in this sense. Then get the text on the frame, that's why it is put text. If not, then only image. Then exit while loop, which is infinite loop, with it will, if we press escape, then it will exit. Then close the recordings and close on window. Now I will execute the program. First of all, I will show you the SQLite database. 3 face dot tb. Yes, select star from people. Yes, one Sanjay Suresh Kumar is there. Now I will execute the program. Now this value is fetched from the database at the time of program execution. Yes, my face has been detected and my name is detected. So I have successfully done with face recognition using SQLite database. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video patiently. Thank you very much.